Is it fruit before meals or meals before fruit? And if you do not take them the right way, what danger do you put your body in on long term? I've had some of you ask this question in the hospital on 2 occasions. Today, I bring you the answer here on your Modern Natural Clinic as your health faith of this weekend to prepare you for the week. This is your servant Emmanuel Nanayebu Asiama, your lab scientist. Please, before I take a delve into this matter, remember to like the video, subscribe to the channel. If it is on Facebook, please do what? Follow me. Remember, I have previously told you that the carbohydrate in the food you eat, for example, your maize and cassava, need to be converted into glucose or simple sugar before the body can absorb them from your digestive system. Meaning the food you eat, the carbohydrate part of that is in the form of trisaccharide or oligosaccharide, which need to be converted into complex sugar or disaccharide before conversion into simple sugar, where the body can absorb them from the digestive system. On the contrary, your fruit is already in the form of simple sugar, mainly glucose and fructose. Hence, the body takes just about 30 to 40 minutes to absorb the fructose and glucose, these simple sugars in the fruit you eat, from the digestive system. But on the contrary, your body takes on average 4 hours to break down your main meal you eat before it can be converted into unabsorbable glucose. So then, why do you put these two together? Your main meal in the digestive system can be likened to a whole coconut plucked from the tree, whereas your fruit, the white matter inside and the fluid. Now the body has to peel off the outer coat of the coconut before it breaks into the white matter and the fluid inside. But your fruit is already in the form that is edible, the white matter and the fluid. So now when you take your fruit after your meals, which you call sweet after meals, the fruit goes to add up to the main meal and form a mixture in your stomach. And remember, there alone, this mixture would spend over 1 hour. I hope you can equally remember bacteria I have previously spoken about I called commensals. These bacteria are found throughout our digestive system. Them, as well as humans, man, like fruit a lot because it's readily available to be absorbed by the body. It is natural because it's not come into contact with heat. Remember, the more you heat or you subject your food to heat, it becomes toxic. So fruits are natural and well loved by almost every organism. Hence, before the mixture gets into the small intestines, this bacteria would absorb all the minerals and vitamins in the fruits. Then the sugar, I have previously told you that the main activity of bacteria on the food we eat, in this case the sugar in the fruit, is fermentation. They will ferment it and cause lots of gases from their fermentation, which would accumulate in your GIT to cause bloating or distension of your belly. Their fermentation would also cause the production or bring about the production of acids, which would change the environment in your digestive system and greatly impact the digestive enzymes activities on food substances. Because you have given these bacteria priority on the food substance you've eaten over your digestive enzymes, they would over-proliferate, they will overgrow, produce more of themselves, and at this point they become infectious because I've also told you that they are opportunistic. At this point, they will cause diarrheas, incomplete digestions, malabsorptions of various nutrients you require from the food you eat. So please never take your fruit after meals. Always take them on empty stomach before meals. Wait for 30 to 40 minutes, at which time your digestive system might have finished absorbing all the minerals, the vitamins, and glucose you require from your fruits. Please, in the right quantity. For instance, 2 fingers of banana plus 1 orange. If it is pawpaw, divide it and pick 1 out of 4 so you can have appetite for your main meal. Please let's meet up in midweek for next video. Make sure you are liking the video, subscribing to the channel. If it is on Facebook, please follow me.